Welcome to Real Lumber Service, a fourth-generation family-owned lumber company based out of beautiful Southern California. At Real Lumber, we stock a wide range of woodworking materials to suit the majority of your interior carpentry needs. We're proud of our assortment of quality hardwood and softwood lumber and stock 18 species of domestic lumber and 12 species of exotic lumber. We offer our family of customers the option to purchase lumber either milled or in the rough. We also carry 130 varieties of sheet goods. If you're looking for plywood, melamine, or composite panels, look no further than Real Lumber Service. In addition to lumber and sheet goods, we have a large inventory of moldings and stock over 160 different profiles in hardwood, MDF, and finger joint. Visit our new website, reallumber.com, and learn all about the lumber yard in your backyard. Thank you for supporting a family-owned business.